Welcome to Creative Kids Studio. This is where we draw together, learn about colors, and enjoy lots of beautiful stories.
Creative Kids Studio. Hey, let's go.
Today we have a sweet and funny story for you. The story of a kind little turtle. So get ready, let's begin.
If you enjoyed our drawing, tap the like button. And don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss our new drawings. We can create even more together. Love you, my little artists.
The little turtle's name was Lockpolly. Every day he walked beside his cute blue pond and said hello to the green leaves. Lockpolly was always calm and kind, but he had one big dream. He wanted to become the fastest turtle in the forest. One day he decided to practice. He started from the edge of the pond, moved his tiny feet, and slowly walked forward. All the animals cheered for him. "You can do it, Lockpolly!" Lockpolly got a little better every day, and soon he realized that the most important thing is not being fast, but never giving up. Lockpolly smiled and said, "I move slowly, but I always keep going." Thank you for being with us. This is Creative Kids Studio, a place for drawing, colors, and learning. We're waiting for you in the next video.